Massive police military operation led to the seizure of a number of high-powered weapons. Hi again and welcome. This is Link 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Link 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Link 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Link 007 TV News Report. A massive operation in and around a section of Mountain View in Kingston on Friday led to the seizure of several high-powered firearms. Police sources are reporting that so far 9 firearms, including a high-powered weapon, have been seized in the joint police military operation in the area. The details are not yet clear at this time, but the reports are that members of the island security forces swooped down on an area a few hours ago and began carrying out several searches in the community. More details will be provided in later newscasts. Continuing the news. With more than 60 murders committed since the start of the year, Police Commissioner Major General Anthony Addison says that the police have set sight on 3 areas in the west and on the south belt of the corporate area for extra policing. Mr. Anderson was speaking to journalists after the handover ceremony of medical equipment to the Jamaica Constabulary Force JCF from the Pan-Caribbean Health Authority some days ago. He said that Westmoreland, Hanover and St. James, in addition to St. Andrew South, Kingston West, Kingston Central and East Kingston Police Division have selected themselves as areas of concern and focus for the Jamaica Constabulary Force, and also continued operation in various areas, and also joint military operation which have led to the seizure of a number of weapons over time. The police commissioner stated that the police will not bow in and they will continue with the fight in order that Jamaica can be a safe place to live, raise family and do business. The police commissioner stated that the government will continue to support the residents and the residents need to support the government and also the police force in order to curtail the rapid spread of crime and violence that is sweeping the country. In the meantime, the Jamaica Constabulary Force has been equipped with a number of new devices that is aiding in the crime fighting measures that have been implemented by the government and also the police force. They have received a number of technologically advanced devices which has so far led to the seizure of a number of weapons and also the foil of many other things that could have happened which could have brought up the murder rate for last year in the year 2021. We'll continue to track this story and provide you with more information to come on this. This has been Link 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.